Alukaqali namanje uhlelo lokusebenza kwamabhasi omkhandlu iBus Rapid Transport nokuhlelo olubizwa ngeIntegrated Public Transport Network eMkhandlwini iMangaung. Ukuqala kwalolu hlelo lwamabhasi omkhandlu lwashiya ingaqediwe ukwakhiwa imigwaqo eminingi nokuyinto ebaphithanisa amakhanda abashayeli. Ungqongqoshe uMbalula wakhombisa ukungenami ngokudonsa isikhathi eside kokwakhiwa kwemigwaqo. Ufunge wagomela ukuthi bazoyikhotha imbenge yomile laba bazicebisa bona ngemali okwakumele ifeze izidingo zomphakathi.
The blatant corruption, arrogant corruption just happened like that, and there are no consequences. The time to moan and to lament is over. We've got to take action. Our people, when they voted for us, they did not vote for us to promote corruption. They want these services. These buses will get on the road, but those who are responsible for corruption, they must wear the orange overalls.
It has affected us daily, but of course, we must remember that this project, it's all about being better off.
The municipality, as one of critical stakeholders here, they don't even respect us as they should. They always call us when they need us, when they need something to comply with.
Ungqongqoshe Mbalula uthi isifundazwe iFree State sinesibalo esiphezulu sezikhalo zemigwaqo engekho esimeni esifanele. Eminye imigwaqo sekuyiminyaka ngeminyaka ilungiswa kanti enye igcwele imigodi.
In a city like Bloemfontein, I mean, it's not a bigger city, but you can't have a pothole in the middle of the city for 2 years and nobody does anything about it. What does it say about our governance?
Wexwayise ngokuthi umkhandlu iMangaung ungagcina unqanyulelwa isabelo mali uma kungaze kushaya unhlangulana lungakasebenzi uhlelo lokuhamba kwamabhasi eBRT.